How to fix iPhone speakers too long problem. In this video, I will guide you iPhone speaker is too low problem. Let's start it guys. First you have to just what to do here. Now you can see the settings options in your mobile. So first open your mobile settings options, okay, and just tell me in the comment box which iPhone are you using right now, okay. Just open the mobile settings. So after opening the mobile settings, now you can see here the more settings have. You have to just click and here find what you find. I will tell you. Scroll down and first you have to just find here accessibility and click on the accessibility. Now you can find here more options you can see here in accessibility. Now you have to just scroll down and find these touch options, click on the touch options. You can see here the touch options. So now you have to just click here, scroll up, and now you can just see here how the call audio routing. You click on the call audio routing and you have to just this to remember this setting. You have to just select always on automatic, okay. So select the always on automatic. So go to the back. Now you have to just once again go to the back and once again go to the back, and you have to just once again open your iPhone settings. So now after opening the iPhone settings, now you have to just scroll down and you have to just define sound and epics options. Click on the sound and epic options. So now you can see if there is silent mode, then you have to just turn off this silent mode. After off this style silence mode, now you can scroll down and now you can see here how the volume options. So you have to just here volume full up. If there is down, then you have to just do the full up. After doing the full up, now you can see if that silent mode is on, then you have to just turn off. So doing this setting, just you have to do the last steps. What is the last steps? So I will tell you. So you have to just here scroll down and you can see volume limit. Click on the volume limit. If that limit maximum volume is on, then you have to just turn off this. Doing these settings, now you have to just go to the back and once again. So now the last step is you have to just volume press the button up. Now you can see your volume will be too long, okay. The last step is there. You have to just restart your iPhone. How it is? So you have to just first press the power button up, then press the power button down, and you have to just press and hold your power button. Let's start it. You have to just click and hold your power button and remove your volume button. Don't to press the volume button. We can do this, okay. Do this method. Only just you have to just press and hold your power button, okay. First you have to just volume up button and second is volume down button, and this press and hold your power button. When will logo here come, you have to just release your finger from power button. So now you can see your problem will be solved it and your power is now on and your iPhone problem will be solved. Low volume problem. Thanks for watching the video. Genuine Guide YouTube channel. Please subscribe and make sure.